Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code B2028 indicates a signal error originating from the left power sliding door remote control switch in the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This error usually points to an issue with the communication system related to the sliding door's function, essential for vehicle accessibility. The left power sliding door remote control switch allows the user to conveniently operate the door from outside the vehicle, enhancing passenger access. Its malfunction could prevent the door from responding correctly to commands, potentially leading to inconvenience or safety issues. It's important to address this error effectively, since the sliding door is an integral part of the vehicle's design for family use, and prompt diagnosis and repairs are crucial. The troubleshooting process involves systematic checks using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to identify and resolve the underlying problem. The B2028 code signifies a specific malfunction related to the left power sliding door's remote control switch. This switch is designed to facilitate the automated opening and closing of the sliding door, a feature that greatly enhances usability, especially in family-oriented vehicles. The remote control switch is integrated within the left sliding door's electrical system, and it interacts with the power sliding door control unit to perform its functions. If this switch does not send the correct signals, it can hinder the door's operation, causing it not to open or close as expected. The intricacy of this system means that comprehending the role of each component is vital for effective troubleshooting. Its failure can often lead to inconvenience, making it crucial to maintain its functionality. Understanding its location and role will aid in fast diagnosis and service. Several possible causes could lead to the B2028 diagnostic trouble code. Firstly, a short to ground in the wiring can disrupt the signal flow from the left power sliding door remote control switch. This means that instead of properly sending on-off signals, the wire may be unintentionally connected to the vehicle's chassis ground, causing irregularities in functionality. Secondly, a faulty remote control assembly can also trigger this DTC, as internal failures can lead to an inability to process or send signals accurately. Lastly, poor connections or corrosion at the connectors can interrupt communication within the system, leading to intermittent issues. Understanding these potential causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting, as it guides technicians in systematically identifying and repairing the issues at hand. Addressing the root cause promptly can prevent further complications and maintain the vehicle's integrity. The symptoms associated with the B2028 error can be quite noticeable and directly affect the vehicle's usability. The most obvious sign is that the left sliding door may become inoperative, meaning it will not open or close as expected when commanded. This directly impacts user convenience, especially in everyday scenarios like loading children or groceries. A display of the error code on the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, further confirms the underlying problem and provides a clear indication that the system requires attention. Additionally, drivers may experience intermittent function issues where the sliding door works sporadically, sometimes responding appropriately, and at other times failing completely. These symptoms not only indicate a malfunction, but can also lead to increased frustration for users who depend on this feature. Understanding these symptoms aids technicians in focusing their diagnostic efforts effectively, ensuring a smoother repair process. The first step in troubleshooting the B2028 code involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This action resets the system and allows for accurate monitoring of any reoccurring issues. By clearing the codes, technicians can identify if the problem was transient or if it persists after the reset. It's crucial to document any errors that reappear after resetting, as this helps in tracking the reliability of the system over time. Additionally, taking this preliminary step prepares the vehicle's electronic control unit for further tests and inspections. A successful reset can eliminate any minor glitches that may not reflect deeper issues, ensuring that the technician focuses on genuine concerns. Effective use of the HDS is essential in modern automotive diagnostics, requiring both skill and familiarity with its functionalities. Once the DTCs have been cleared, the next step requires turning the ignition switch to the lock position before turning it back to the on position. This action is important as it serves to reset the ignition system, ensuring all electrical components are functioning correctly. Alternatively, if the vehicle is equipped with a push start button, pressing it to select the off mode and then on will achieve the same result. This reset facilitates a comprehensive check of the systems connected to the power sliding door. Properly executing this step ensures that the technician establishes a fresh operating environment for the system checks that will follow. Ignition cycling is a standard procedure in automotive diagnostics and helps in confirming that all components reset properly before further investigation. Successful interpretation of this procedure is crucial for discovering any lingering issues that the initial DTC retrieval did not highlight. With the ignition system reset, the technician must turn the power sliding door main switch on. This action prepares the sliding door assembly for testing and ensures it is operationally ready for further diagnostic steps. Activating the power sliding door switch allows technicians to monitor the system's response effectively, aiding in identifying any faults in real time. It's essential for confirming that the assembly and its associated components are correctly executing commands. This step establishes a baseline for further diagnostics and helps confirm whether the B2028 code is still present in the system. By ensuring the switch is engaged, technicians minimize the chances of overlooking potential issues that may arise only when the door is operating. The correct engagement of this switch is key to assuring that all systems are online and prepared for diagnostic evaluation. After performing the previous step, it is essential to check for DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System HDS again. This monitoring phase is crucial to determining if the B2028 code has reappeared, which would indicate an unresolved issue within the sliding doors control system. By evaluating the data presented by the HDS, technicians can analyze the system's behavior and define if the problem is intermittent or persistent. If DTC B2028 is indicated once more, it confirms that the initial troubleshooting did not resolve the underlying issue. Conversely, if the code does not appear, it may suggest that the problem was temporary, possibly due to a poor connection or glitch. This ongoing diagnosis is pivotal for ensuring that the repair process is thorough and effective, particularly for issues that may not present consistently. Identifying any persistent issues early allows for targeted interventions, which further enhances the reliability of the repair. Subsequent to evaluation with the HDS, if the B2028 code is confirmed as present, the technician must turn the ignition switch to the lock position or select off using the engine start-stop button. This action is necessary to safely access and disconnect components involved in diagnosing the issue further. By effectively powering down the system, technicians protect both themselves and the vehicle's electronic components from potential damage. Preparing for component checks is vital, as accessing the left power sliding door control unit and the remote control assembly will allow for a hands-on assessment of the wiring and connectors involved. It is crucial to take appropriate precautions while handling these components, as they can be sensitive to mishandling. This step ensures that the technician is ready for the more invasive diagnostic checks that follow, laying the groundwork for a detailed examination of the affected hardware. In this troubleshooting step, the technician disconnects the left power sliding door control unit by carefully removing both connector A, 12P, and connector B, 16P. Each of these connectors serves a specific function within the sliding door system, and it's essential to handle them with care to avoid damaging the terminals. After disconnecting the control unit, the technician continues by disconnecting the left power sliding door remote control assembly connector A, 14P. Ensuring that the vehicle is powered down during this process minimizes the risk of electrical shorts and protects both the technician and the vehicle's electronics. This meticulous approach is critical as access to these components is necessary for performing continuity checks. Understanding the function of each connector paved the way for effectively diagnosing the wiring integrity and signal pathways essential for the sliding door operation. Knowledge about these components allows for a more structured and methodical troubleshooting approach. Following the disconnection of connectors, the technician must now check for continuity between the left power sliding door remote control assembly, connector A, 14P, terminal number 11, and body ground. This test is crucial as it establishes whether the wire linked to this terminal has unintended connections to ground, which could lead to signal errors like the B2028 code. A successful continuity check indicates that the integrity of the wiring is sound and that signals can be transmitted effectively without unnecessary interruption. Should the continuity test reveal a connection to ground, this suggests a short circuit in the wire, necessitating urgent repairs. Conversely, failure to find continuity furthers the investigation into potential faults within the control unit or its connections. This step underscores the importance of electrical circuit integrity in vehicle diagnostics, as a single faulty wire can impede essential functionalities. Through this troubleshooting measure, technicians gain valuable insights into the condition of the sliding door system's wiring. If the continuity check indicates that there is continuity to ground, the technician must proceed to repair the wire experiencing a short circuit. This involves identifying the exact location of the damage and either replacing or insulating the affected area to restore proper function to the assembly. Repairing such electrical issues is highly critical. Not only does it aim to solve the current error code, but it also prevents future recurrences, thereby enhancing the overall reliability of the sliding door system. The technician must ensure that the repair is thorough and meets vehicle specifications to guarantee that all signals can flow correctly after restoration. Following this repair, it is essential to run further diagnostics to confirm that the code no longer appears and that the door operates as intended. This step reinforces the importance of comprehensive electrical checks and the need for meticulous repairs in automotive systems. After repairing, retesting is crucial to ascertain the effectiveness of the intervention. After completing the necessary repairs, it's essential to verify the functionality of the sliding door system by confirming that the door operates without issues. This verification step is critical, as it guarantees that the components are working harmoniously and that the DTC B2028 does not return. By running a comprehensive system check using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, the technician can monitor for any new or lingering error codes that may indicate unresolved issues. This ensures that all aspects of the system are thoroughly addressed before closing the job. Following successful operation and absence of error codes, the technician will have confidence that the repairs have resolved the initial problem effectively. Ensuring complete system functionality not only fulfills the requirements of the repair, but also enhances customer satisfaction, as drivers expect reliable performance from their vehicles. Proper verification ultimately supports the goal of maintaining vehicle safety and efficiency. Preventive maintenance is crucial to maintaining the health of the sliding door system and avoiding future occurrences of DTC B2028. Regular inspections of the electrical systems, particularly the wiring associated with the power sliding door, can identify potential issues before they become problematic. It's important to check for frayed, damaged, or corroded wires that could lead to shorts or weak signals. Ensuring connector integrity is also key, as worn or moisture-intruded connectors can disrupt communication within the system. Implementing a maintenance schedule will help keep this system operating smoothly, ultimately enhancing the reliability of the sliding door feature and improving the overall driving experience. Encouraging vehicle owners to remain vigilant about electrical system health can prevent costly repairs down the road, preserving vehicle performance and safety. Such proactive measures will foster longevity in the vehicle's components while satisfying user expectations. The B2028 diagnostic trouble code indicates a critical signal error related to the left power sliding door remote control switch. This code highlights potential wiring issues, faulty remote control assemblies, or poor connections that could interfere with the door's operation. Thorough troubleshooting involves a structured approach, starting from clearing the diagnostic trouble codes and ensuring systems are correctly reset, through to checking continuity and repairing any identified faults. Each step is tailored to provide clarity and ensure an effective resolution of the issue at hand. Understanding the importance of each component has been vital to diagnosing and resolving the underlying problems associated with this error. Emphasizing preventive maintenance will help to prolong the life of the sliding door system and encourage the smooth operation of its electronic functions. Addressing the B2028 code effectively ensures the vehicle remains user-friendly and reliable, aligning with Honda's commitment to safety and convenience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.